Hey everyone, welcome to Offbeat Life. My name is Tahir.
I'm Nisa.
We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today, we're going to show you how to make a switch to all natural products by giving you some tips and showing you what we use at home.
The reason that we decided to put this video together is because we get so many questions from our friends and family about the natural products that we use, both for our body as well as for our home cleaning. And for those of you that don't know, one of the main reasons that you may want to avoid using conventional products and switching over to natural products is because, number one, it's better for the environment, but it's also better for your health. You're avoiding things like chemicals and other nasties that can have negative impacts on your health overall.
And the chemicals that Anissa is referring to, without getting into every single one, the main categories are the parabens, the sulfates, the fragrances, all these artificial things that can really cause these problems, and that's why we look to avoid them. Now, before we get into the products, we want to let you know up front that we are not being sponsored by any of these companies. There's no affiliation. We buy these products ourselves. We do the research. So, well, when I say we, I mean Anissa. She's up there doing all the research, reading up on these things, and we're switching up items, finding better items. So these are genuine products that we use, and we like them, and hopefully you'll also do your own research and see what works for you.
So the first product that we're excited to share with you is deodorant. And this is the most important product that you do want to switch over as soon as you can to natural, because it really will make a difference to your overall health. And the best products that we've come out with or come across would be, number one, this Pure and Natural Crystal. So there's different brands out there, but it's definitely going to be the crystal that you're looking for. This will last you with no smell if you put this on after your shower for 24 hours. Like, it literally, you will not smell, and you can sweat buckets, it will work. This is amazing. And also, if you're looking to avoid color that you get, like sometimes when you're wearing a white shirt or something like that as you're sweating through, using something like this, you will not have to worry about that. Now, the only challenge is some people are allergic to the crystal. So if the crystal doesn't work for you, which is the case for me, I have switched over to a product called Schmidt's. So that's the brand. They have this product that is available in a jar, and you kind of have to dig it out and you kind of rub it on your fingers and you put it under your underarms. This works amazing. It's not always available in this jar though, but they do have this one in a stick form that's readily available as well. This is also great, but I find that this one does leave a little bit of residue, whereas this one, very, very minimal, if any residue at all. So definitely recommend these products.
So the next product we're going to show you is our toothpaste. This toothpaste is made by a company called Green Beaver, which is a Canadian company. We love it. They come in multiple different flavors. Quick note, when you do switch to a natural toothpaste, they don't foam as much. So don't be alarmed. That's just because it's not full of a lot of chemicals that are going into your mouth now.
The next product we have is Dr. Bronner's. It's a soap. It's a cast iron soap. And this soap we use as our body wash, but you can use it for a lot of other things too. You can use it to make your, hand wash. You can use it for household cleaning as well, but we find it's amazing as our body wash, and we love it, and it comes in so many different flavors or scents.
I'm a guy, I use it for everything. Face wash, body wash, you name it, that's what I use it for. Okay, so the next products are our shampoo and conditioner, also made by Green Beaver. We love them. Clean your hair super well, no chemicals, it's awesome.
And one of the other really cool things that happens when you switch over to a natural shampoo in particular and you stick with it, what you'll find is that your hair becomes less oily over time, and you're able to extend the length of time between your washing.
There you go.
And the next products we have are the ones that we use for moisturizing our bodies. So we have two products here. One of them is by a brand called Green and Frugal. It's amazing. This is a local brand to Toronto. They make a lot of amazing products. The one that I use most often and order on repeat is their body butter. It's very, very moisturizing, really lovely smells as well. And if you can't get your hands on that, then something that's more widely available would be different types of natural oils that you can get from health food stores, as well as a lot of grocery stores are now selling them in the organic section. So the one that I have here is an apricot kernel oil, which is really lovely as well.
Yeah, I don't know much about these products, but
he's a boy and he doesn't use body lotion, but I need them, so these work really well.
There you go. Okay, now moving to our kitchen. The only product really we use in the kitchen is the 7th generation Powered by Plants dishwashing soap. We don't really use a dishwasher, so this is all we need. And if we ever need to clean up around the kitchen, we'll just use some vinegar and water and spray it. It's a great cleaner and disinfectant.
Now moving on to our laundry. One of the things that we love using are these dryer balls. These are readily available at a lot of different health food stores as well as for order online. These are amazing because they actually eliminate the need to use dryer sheets, which can be quite toxic.
Yep, and here is our detergent. This Ecomax is the company. You can find this at grocery stores. We got this from Superstore. It comes in different scents or unscented. And the cool thing about natural detergents is that you can use them, wash your clothes, and then when you wear them afterwards, there'll be no irritation. So we highly recommend these products. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us. We really hope these tips help you out, but also remember, do your own research, see what works for you. All products are different. And let us know what you find. Leave a comment below and we'll love to try it out ourselves. All right, so please remember to subscribe to our videos, like them, share them with your friends, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Signing out from Offbeat Life. Until next time, see ya.
Bye.